Teflon is usually used in the coating of non-sticking pans to improve the surface smoothness and to improve the epoxy adhesive's wear resistance, heat resistance, and corrosion resistance. However, according to the list of carcinogens published by the International Agency for Research on Cancer of the World Health Organization, Teflon is among the 3 types of carcinogens. Besides, Teflon will poison the water and pollute the environment. So, the United States has banned its use. Therefore, for both our health and a clean environment, we add graphene to the coating of our pots to enhance the coating's adhesion, strength, and toughness, thus improving the pot's thermal conductivity, making its surface smoother and preventing any environmental pollution. Our pans have been tested and certified by the TUV Rhineland Laboratory, all of which have passed 15 food safety standards testing and contain no harmful substances. The hardness of graphene is 200 times stronger than that of steel, and the thermal conductivity can reach 5,300 watts per meter Kelvin. It is also strong, tough, fast to conduct heat, flexible, and smooth. This is the world's first coating technology to be applied to pots and pans. It has been patented and has gone through TUV wear-resistant tests. The graphene pan is cast with pig iron, and the die casting process uses advanced cast steel molds and intermediate frequency electric furnace technology. The national standard number 24 pig iron is smelted into 1700 degrees molten metal and then pressed into a shape with a 2-ton pressure cooker supporting steel mold. The silicone sleeve is non-slip and very easy to grip. It has a 3-dimensional, stylish, and concise design. The handle uses an integrated die casting hollow aluminum alloy, a high-strength, ultra-light, seamless joint technology, and heat-resistant food-grade silicone sleeve with 5 color options. The polishing process repeats the 5 steps of the die casting to make the finished product flawless both inside and outside until the surface is as smooth as a mirror. It can be used in various ways, such as over a fire, in an induction cooker, and on barbecues. The sprayed and adjusted graphene paint is baked at a temperature of 280 degrees for 10 minutes. The surface is smooth, non-stick, and does not delaminate, and it is easy to use. The cast iron pan can quickly melt butter and focus its heat to grill a steak, and gives greater flavor. The surface of the pan is smooth and heats quickly. Observe this fried egg. It can slide at will on this completely non-stick pan. The biggest advantage of cast iron pans are that they can produce great food without losing any of its nutrition. Its design is simple and elegant. Ultralight technology is integrated into the mold forming, making the pot durable and light. The surface of the pot is shiny and easy to clean. After washing, you should take a minute to slowly heat it to dry the excess water. Then, brush on some oil. It can be used forever, and it will become more and more translucent and smooth.